Good morning, students. Welcome back to social study class. Today I have prepared a few slides on the human origins. In this chapter, you will know about how the human beings were actually originated and evolved from 7 million years back to today's Homo sapien age, which we will discuss in details later. But before that, we were supposed to study the second lesson, which is the origins and the formations of the societies, in which there are different stages of the developments of the societies, such as hunting age, animal rearing age, agricultural age, science, industrial age, and science and technology age. But before studying that chapter, I thought it was more important for you to know about how the human beings were actually originated. I hope that today's session will be informative, interesting, and educative for you all. So moving back to our today's main chapter, which is human origin. The story of human evolution began about 7 million years ago, when that leads to Homo sapiens or human lineages and chimpanzees actually separated. Over the time, there were 20 early human species belongs in our family tree. Most became extinct, and while other might have become our ancestor to today's human. Homo habilis hunting. Each species exhibited varying degree of human-like physical and behavioral traits, such as large brains, small teeth, bipedality, and tool use. These tools were used by the chimpanzees or the gorillas back in the 7 million years ago. Hominins fell into three major groups, which is early hominins, AUSTRALOPITHECINES, and homogenes. Early hominins. Human early hominins or human early relatives lived between, it is believed that human early relatives lived between the 7 to 4.4 million years ago in the Africa, having recently shared a common ancestors with chimpanzees. They have many ape-like traits, such as small cranial capacity, for eating. Small canines used more for the eating, hunting, etc. However, the fossil shows that some ancient hominins were also beginning to show human-like character. Australopithecines. It is believed that they lived between 4.4 to 1.4 million years ago across the African continents. Like their ancient brother, Australopithecines had some ape-like traits. However, changes in the skull, spine, and legs indicates a notable shift towards a very human-like trait, consistent bipedal and bipedal locomotion. We have already discussed this one, the changes in the skull, spines, legs. Last, the third and the current phase of the human evolutions involves the members of the genus Homo. The early Homo species likely date to more than 2 million years ago, making them contemporary of some Australopithecines. But unlike earlier hominins who exhibited mosaic of apes and human-like traits, Homo species were becoming distinctly more human. Their cranial capacity is larger than that of the other hominins. Here you can see the examples of the evolutions of the Australopithecines to Homo erectus to now today's Homo sapiens. You can see the differences in the skull shape. So they have developed sophisticated tools and technology and become the first one to control the fire. Now we are discussing about the Homo sapiens. They were the only Homo sapiens who discovered or to control the fire. Their physical and behavioral adaptations along with the advancement in the technologies allows the Homo species to migrate out of the Africas and explore the rest of the world. While a cast of the 20 hominin species have walked on this earth, only one remains, Homo sapiens, shaped by millions of years evolution, embarked on a journey of explorations and industries its ancestors could have only dreamed. Thank you.